Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to record your desktop or games without software and with voice. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. In this video I will show you how to record your desktop or games using GeForce Experience in-game overlay. But first of all, you need to make sure that it is enabled in GeForce Experience. To quickly check if it is enabled or disabled, go to your keyboard and hit the keys Alt and Z. If this pops up on your screen, then this means that it's enabled. If nothing pops up, then it means that it's disabled. And right now I will show you how to enable it. So what you need to do, you need to open GeForce Experience. You can open GeForce Experience in many ways. You can open it from a shortcut from your desktop. You can search it, or you can go down here next to the network icon, click the arrow and go right here, right click and click NVIDIA GeForce Experience. You can open it however you like, it does not really matter, but I'm going to open it like that. Once you open GeForce Experience, this is what you should see right here, and what you need to do, go in the top right corner in the gear icon, click settings, and you need to stay in here where it says general and scroll down to where it says in-game overlay. If you see this option disabled like that, then the in-game overlay of course will not work. To enable it, just click on top of it of course. It will take a few seconds to enable and then you can try it for yourself if it works. If you hit Alt and Z right now, you will see that it works. Also, if you do not see the in-game overlay tab right here, then this means that your graphics card is pretty old for in-game overlay to work. So what I mean by that, if I click here in the right side where it says in-game overlay, it says that it needs GeForce GTX desktop GPUs 800 series or higher, or notebook GTX 860M, 850M, etc. So if your graphics card is older than what it says here, then in-game overlay will not work. And unfortunately, you cannot record your desktop or games. I have a GTX 1050 Ti, so of course it will work with my GPU, but if you have an 800 series or less than what it says here, or if you have a notebook less than what it says here, then in-game overlay will not work unfortunately. But if you have a new GPU and the in-game overlay works, go back to your keyboard and hit the keys Alt and Z, and this should pop up on your screen. So to record your desktop or games, just simply click on top of record and you can hit start, or as it says here, you can hit on your keyboard Alt and F9 and it will start recording. GeForce Experience does not only record in games, it can also record in desktop. So if you do not want a recording software, for example OBS that I use, you can easily use GeForce Experience for your desktop recordings. To change the quality of your recordings, just click record and click settings and it will take you to the settings menu. Right now you have four options in the quality section. You have low, medium and high. If you put it high, it will record on whatever resolution your game has. So for example, the game you're playing is 1080p, GeForce Experience will record in 1080p. If your game is 720p, GeForce Experience will record in 720p, etc, etc. If you want to record to higher resolutions, to 1440p or even 4K, click custom, click resolution and you can change it up to 4K, which is incredible. You can record 30 FPS or 60 FPS. I'm not sure if you can record up to 120 FPS, I'm not sure, but the maximum is 60 FPS. And down here in the last section where it says bitrate, if you have a pretty good PC, put it to the maximum possible, because of course the higher the better the quality it will be. Also, you may ask, I didn't say anything about the instant replay length. That's not going to make a difference in your recording quality, that's just something completely different. I think it's about recording your best highlights of your game, I'm not sure, or something like that. You can search it for yourself, but this is pointless in my opinion. And yeah, we are done with the quality section. If you want to record your voice, you need to go back, click the gear icon, which will be settings, and you will see lots of options right here. You need to scroll down to where it says audio, and here you will have the audio section. If you want to record your voice, go to microphone section, go to where it says source, click on top of whatever option it has here and choose your microphone. If you choose your audio driver, which will be your speakers, GeForce Experience will not record your voice, it will only record the internal sound. That would be good for montages and for highlights. But if you want to record your voice, just choose your microphone and you'll be all set. You can change the volume to whatever you want, you can even change the boost, and yeah, that's everything it. I don't think I have anything else to show you. Of course, you can use instant replay. I think that's what I said in the quality section. I think that records the best highlights of your match, I'm not sure. And you can even broadcast live to whatever you want. If I click settings, you can broadcast to Facebook, Twitch and YouTube. And yeah, that's everything it. That's a video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section that I try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section that I try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!